Balik tayo sa ating malupit na Intro
Okay,
muli
okay.
tayo. Okay, game. Okay, welcome muli po sa ating first game tonight po between Tiptoe Kicks clad in yellow and black combination versus yan po ang Ayesha clad in orange and white combination. First quarter, action start right now. Okay, eto na. Tumendalia, wrong pass po. Balik muli po sa Tiptoe Kicks po ang bola. Ramos. RD2. To Ramos again. RD2. Speed per speed. Matchup po tayo ngayon. Perez for 2. 2 points. Perez 2 points. 2 done. 2 lang po tayo. Si Repolyo sizing the pace. Eto na. Ed now. Medalya. Intercepted by RD2 again. RD2. In the sky play to Umali, 2 points. Umali, 2 points. Roland Lopez watching. Mark Galera watching. Enigma is watching also. And many more. Eto na, medalya, power move. Soft touch, wala pa rin. Again, ito pa rin tayo. RD2 again. Din na pace, din na charge. Ramos. Pops up, hindi. Kay Umali, side step move, wala pa rin. Nakuha ng white shirts. And now, pops up, no good. Nakuha Dom-Dom. Dom-Dom na din, another Dom-Dom. Umali, side step move. 2 points Umali again. Umali 2 points. Umali 2 points. Umali also is watching. Manalang is watching. Bakala, power move. Nakuha na may Ramos. Dinadrive pag isang bola. Umali again. Sa ilalim. Kick pass kay Perez. Soft touch. Wala. Again, intercepted. Medalya, for sure, 2 points yan. 2 points medalya. RD2 rather. Bulawan is watching. Miklat is watching. Wala. And white shirts na naman on the charge. White shirts. Okay, 2 points. Ambong 2 points. Baby girl Kapates watching. Ito na po, unang salvo pa lang yan. 17 kagad ang nanonood po sa atin. And now, nakuha ang Boya. Second Guisa now to 23. Repolyo. Medalya to Repolyo again. Wala. 2 points. 2 points Repolyo. Intercepted almost. Bayra kong gis. May Bondesto to Perez. Dom-Dom against Bondesto. Dako ng pick. Pops up for 2. Wala. Tapos, Bakala nakaresito. Kick pass. Walang pinasahan. Balik muli po sa Tiptoe Kicks ang bola. RD2. Ito na, dumarating na yung mga rest back ng Tiptoe Kicks. Perez, no good. Rebound by Medalya. Again, Bakala penetrating. Pinasa. Bondesto, 2 points. RD2. Galang Bukanan is watching. JJ Lara is watching. Nino Chiodo is watching. Bakala, 2 points again. And time out po by Tiptoe Kicks. 6-10 na po ang score po natin. Tiptoe Kicks trailing behind now by 4 points. You're watching right now the first game for the day. Tiptoe Kicks versus Asia Friends. Brought to you by the following sponsors. Ito po ang liga na masikat, PSBQ Basketball League. Balik muli po tayo sa ating laban. Okay. The score is 6-10, 6-13 remaining first quarter action. Umali, RG2. RG2 for 3, pasok! RG2 3 points kagad, 9-10 ang score. Oh, pops up, no good. Rebound by Bacala. Bacala ko ng rebound. Wala. Again to Bacala. Bacala again. Bacala. Penetrating move. Pinasa. Ayun. Kay number 9. 2 points. 2 points number 9. Take pass now kay Umali. Umali for 3. Ayaw. RG2 for 3. No good. Rebound. And it's out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo mga boss. Balik muli po sa TikTok. Isang bola. 5:26 remaining. Umali. Dum-dum. Ayong RG2. Pops up. 3 points. 3 points by RG2. Set 5:12 remaining. Approaching 5-minute mark. Repolyo again for 3. Bang! Okay, change player po tayo yun. Of course, nandiyan na po sina Brian Owen and Company sa kabila naman. Of course, nandiyan na sina De Leon and Company naman sa kabila. Okay, balik tayo sa ating laro. Eto na, Brian Oy, from Natividad. Kung may pwesto na. 3 points, no go. Ayun, Natividad for 2. 2 points. Natividad, 2 points. Paminto, nandiyan na rin. Pops up. Giga, kapos. Rojas, nandiyan din. Rojas. Uy, nice pass! What a pass! Face pass made, ha? What a pass! Ginamit ang mukha para pampasa, grabe. Eto na. Pops up, Ibarra, wala. Rebound by number 1. Rojas. Brian again, Dum-dum. Tap away by Pamintuan. Balik sa bola, tip-toe kicks. Bola muli po ng tip-toe kicks. Okay, Dave Colom is watching. Mikey Gutierrez is watching. Rojas for 3. Bang! Okay, don't look, not change paper kagad. 70-15. Balik muli po ng kalamangan po sa tip-toe kicks. 19-15 rather. Ang score po natin po is 19-15. Tip-toe kicks po. Lamang na naman ng 4. After this po ha. Plug ko na rin. Next game po, Mamya. Itong lalabanan po yan. Tuktok Saigon. The Vietnamese Cuisine Masters versus Italian Masters Al Forno. Okay, balik tayo. HBK's watching. Come coach, hey. Sabi ni Renoy, Dave Bulawan. Magno Espinit is watching also. Giga. Ibarra, binababa ang bola. Ang birador ni Ibarra, nandiyan na rin. Para sa Yesha, Ibarra. Carney, intercepted. Carney again, pops up. 2 points. Carney, 2 points. Carney, unstoppable. Nandiyan na rin pala ang kanilang tank ng Ayesha. Brian Oy. Rojas again, tingin 3, ayaw. Dom to Brian Oy. Driving, passing, outside. Malakas sa pasa. Balik muli po tayo. Kalamaan po natin ba still 1917. Ibarra, sizing up the defense. Pamintuan. Carney, foul! Sa baba. Natividad, first personal foul. First team foul, tiptoe kicks. Inbounding po si Pamintuan. De Leon, pop, tap, it's traveling violation called to De Leon. De Leon called for the travel. Traveling violation po si De Leon. Rojas, dom-dom sa ilalim, pop sack, 2 points. 2 points Rojas, 2 points dom-dom from Rojas. Michael Pernites watching. Pops up, ayaw. Pops up, Pamintuan, hindi, sa ilalim, Giga! Giga, 2 points, Rojas. Binababa ang bola. Rojas, number 1. Guarnoy, pops up for 3. No good. It's out. It's good. Okay, Giga. Binababa ni Giga ang bola. Giga man. Nope. It's Ibarra. Ibarra, fumbled. Again, still. Ibarra, hop! Black ball, travel violation call by Ibarra. Pa-shoutout kay Moret, sabi ni Mitchinangan Alcantara. Okay, ma'am. Na-shoutout ka na po kay Mr. Moret daw. Good ball. Brian Oy driving. Nope, it's Natividad. Pops up. Kime, 2 points. 23-19. Okay, I think now it's the story so far now. Extra passing now. Fluidity of the offense by tiptoe kicks against the big men of ISM Friends. Like that. Kim again for 2 points. Viction Aris Kevin's watching. Michael Pernites watching also. Carney pops up, foul! Rojas called for a foul. Rojas called for a foul. Ayun! Kickball. Same ball po tayo, same ball. Carney the unstoppable, becoming the factor in first quarter action. Again, Pamintuan, De Leon, fumble, nawala ang bola. Bola pa ng tiptoe kicks, muli po tayo yun. And then now kay Rojas from Kime. Rojas, binababa ang bola. Natividad, Kime, nawala ang bola. Giga, lead pass kay Ibarra, balakas ang pasa. Masyadong strong, too much power, sir. Little, reduce, sabi nila. Eto na, Mr. Branoy. Ayun, the sky play. The story so far we're seeing right now, the fluid offense of tiptoe kicks against the big men of Ayesha. Yan, penetrating end for Ibarra for 3. No. One more time. Ito na naman, Branoy. 2 points, Branoy. 27 seconds remaining. 29-19. 10 point dito po ang tiptoe kicks. Ibarra. Carney. Ayun. Nice one. Sinubo lang. Okay. Intercepted. Up. Black ball. 3 seconds remaining. Story so far really now. We're seeing right now the fluid offense of tiptoe kicks for first quarter against a big man penetration and kick out by Ayesha Friends. Okay, that's it. First quarter's finished. Standby po tayo sa second quarter action. Back to the ball game. Okay, second quarter action will about to start right now. Bola po ng tiptoe kicks. Nanalo po kasi ang Asia kanina sa jump ball. Ngayon, tiptoe kicks naman. Maging po si Mr. Flight 41, Mr. Umali. Yan po ang Flight 41, yung lumilipat na Umali. Okay, Umali for the inbound now to RD2. Roas for 3. Nope. Umali. Nakuha ang bola. Umali against number 3. Roas again. Perez pops up. Nice rebound by number 3. Number 8 pops up. 2 points. Ambong 2 points. Rojas. Duran. Domdom. Umali for 3. Bang! 3 points by Umali. 32-23. 9-12-11. 9-12 remaining. Second quarter action. Number 9. Power move by number 9. Oy! Matibay yan. Metro man yan. Matibay yan. Dom-dom. Metro man yan. Bubutang train yan. Okay, teka lang muna po. Okay, meron ng konting inaano lang. Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you po. Okay, reminder po sa mga players po daw po na wala pang may foul na. Kami contact na wala na po second motion po. Pops up for 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 3, 3 points. Rojas. The score is 32-26. Again, RD2 for 3. No good. Medalya. Number 9, Ambo. Pops up. 2 points, Ambo. Oh, Ambo. Francis Fincida is watching. Kirk Justin is watching. RD2 dictating the pace. Ross again. Perez. Perez, naipit ang konti. Ayun, mutik na. Ayun, nice one. Nice play. Palpal. Palpal. Repolyo. Repolyo. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ang bola muli. Number 3. Number 11. Offline. Rebound by Rojas. RD2 to Domdom. Domdom. Pinasa, number 18. RD2, easy spot. Bang! Nice shot by RD2. Easy spot. Easy shot by number 2. RD2. Fresco, number 3 pala yun. Catherine Mosca is also watching. Pops up by number 3. No good. Rebound by one by number 9. Tumulay. And one play pa binigay. Number 18 called for the foul. That's Perez. Ambong shooting for the bonus free throw. Number 9, Ambong shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 34-30. Kanina po umabot pa rin 10 yan para sa free throw kicks. Pero unti-unting gumagapang na po pabalik po ang Ayesha and Friends. Eto na po tayong yun. Eto na naman. Rojas. RD2. Domdom. Pops up. Ayaw. Kay Umali na naman. Malakas. Domdom. Domdom. Perez. Sinabas muna. Okay. Kay Rojas. For 3. Wala. Pinasa. Binato. Nice pass. Intercepted by Domdom. Bola muli po ng tip-toe kicks. RD2. Wala pa si Big Mac niyan. Ang ginagawa nila kasi speed yun eh. Speed against the size. Yung Ayesha naman, pumipenetrate, kinikik na lang. Pag nag-double team, may open man kagad. Nice try by Domdom. Ambong. Repolyo, lumipad. Wala. Isa pa. Dinukot. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Ayun, meron. Gusto pa may nagbabantay pala eh. 2 points by Repolyo. Okay, time out. Nagano lang po. Nagsintas muna si Mr. Rojas, a.k.a. Pusong Leon. Captain Lionheart. Sige po, maraming salamat sa mag-like po. Sige po, mag-like po tayo. Ayun, and nice try. Hoy! Balik ko niyo po sa itim ang bola. If you're watching right now, if you notice, tip-toe kick is going for the fluid offense. Foul. Pushing foul number 3. Fresco called for the foul. Rojas again for the inbound. Umali. Duran pops number 3. No good. Again, Domdom, binatong bola. Ambong, no, intercepted. Nice deep by Duran. Ayun! 2 points. Perez, 2 points. Perez, 2 points. Repolyo. Fresco, kapos. Ayun! No good! Umali! Wala! Sa pang beses, one more time. Duran for 3. No good. Pinasam. Intercepted again. Repolyo. Medalya. No good. Isa pa kay Medalya. 2 points. Medalya. And time out. Change play po tayo. 36-34. Parang boxing. Na nagsasagutan ng mga boxingero natin yung sabing ito. The score is 5-6. Remaining 36-34 po score po natin. Second quarter action. Ayesha trailing by 2 points. Balik bumili po sa itim ang bola. Wala pa yung mga kulang. Ano pa lang sila, regular pa lang yun, Mas kompleto yung Ayesha. Pusong Leon. Brian Oy for 3. Pasok! Good evening po, sir. Good evening. Sam para sa Kala is in also. Sam para sa Kala, nandyan na rin pala. Paparamdam na rin yan. Bakala. Pamintuan, nakalusot. Pamintuan, floater shot. Wala. Out of bounds. Same ball. Again, Bakala. Carney. 2 points na yan. Unstoppable Carney is in. Granoy. Malakas. Isa pa. Palpal. Ibarra. Bakala and foul. Ramos called for the foul. And si Pamintong po ang mag-inbound ang bola. To Bakala. Bakala, pinapatayan. Bakala. Ibarra naman for 3. Boom! Ayun na. Pumasok na rin ang shot ni Ibarra. 39 all po tayo yun. Yung kinatibidad. Hop! Pinalpal. Out of bounds. Para kay Tipto Kicks. Wala pa ng Tipto Kicks. Brian Oy. To Natividad against Pamintuan. Out of bounds. Hop. Okay, may ano lang. Bakala, binababa pa rin pang bola. Pops up ng Ibarra. Had the time of the life. Wala. Rebound. Kick pass kay Brian Oy. Palpal. Brian Oy. Blocked by Bakala. Palpal. Pinalpalan si Brian Oy. Eto naman. Brian Oy. Inbounding. Ramos for 2. No good. Rebound. Tipin sana ni number 1. Hindi pumubra. Bakala. Rojas. Hop. Kickball. Labo na mata ko. Okay. Rojas for the inbound. Brian Oy. Foul. Pushing foul. Ibarra called for the foul. Same ball po tayo. 3 minutes 25 remaining. Natividad penetrating. Foul. Penalty situation, Ayesha, Natividad shooting for 2. A great drive from Natividad. George Saldan is watching. Abuel Rab is watching. Pops up. First shot made. First shot in Natividad made also ready. Second shot, wala. Balik muli po tayo. Ang bola po kay Mr. Bakala. Binababa ang bola. Carney, unstoppable. Straight away. Again, Natividad on the line. 2 points. Intercepted. Pusong Leon. Carney again. Step away. Up. Stepping on the line. Ramos stepping on the line. White ball pa rin tayo. Stepping on the line. Di Ramos. Stepping on the line po tayo. Stepping on the line. Pamintuan for 3. No. Holding foul. Kita. Ramos called for the foul. Ayun! Nice drive by Ibarra. Ramos. Brian Oy for 3. Wala. Bakala driving strong. Foul. Blocking foul. Brian Oy, jersey number 11, called for the foul. 2 shots. Bakala first shot. Wala. Nino Carlos watching. Second shot ni Bakala. Pops up. Pasok. 42. Laman na isa. Ang TikTok. Ang Ayesha. Ang Ayesha ay training po ng isa. 43-42. Rojas. Brian Uy. No good. Rebound by number 77, Bacala. Bacala. Binababa ang bola. Bacala. Traffic to Pamintuan again. Pops up 3 points. Palpal. Ayun. Nice training job by Natividad. Up. Intercepted. Bola para tip-toe kicks. Time up po ng tip-toe kicks po. Tablados po tayo. 45. Tumuputok 45. Tablados. We're tied at 47-45 all. At 1 minute 38 remaining. Tip-toe kicks and Ayesha. Back to the ball game. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Tablados tayo sa 45. Pinalabas po ni Natividad, inbounding the ball. Ito naman tayo kay Rojas. Captain Lionheart si Rojas, ang pusong leon. Ayun, malalim. Ayun, kay Natividad, 2 points sa Natividad. Natividad, 2 points. Lamang muli po ang tip-toe kicks ng dalawa. Bacala, inbounding. Bacala driving. Pops up, no good. Rebound, battle won by De Leon. Pamintuan again, drinking 3. Ayaw. De Leon, palpal. Bacala, foul. Bacala, binuhat dito rin ang kanyang bantay. Bacala, litre, binuhat ang kanyang bantay. Ramos again called for a foul. First shot, Bacala, pasok. Second throw ni Bacala, jumpers ready po tayo. Bacala, second throw, jumpers ready tayo. Pops up, yes, inside. Ito na naman, jetak na naman tayo. Rojas. Ayun, palpal! Wala pa siya. Ay, pasok yan si Big Mac. Number 44. Brian Uy for 3. Pops up, wala. Rebound battle won by De Leon. Kay Carney. Carney kay Bacala. Ayaw. Carney muna nagbababa ng bola. Carney to Bacala. Bacala sizing the defense. Intercepted. Brian Uy, 2-on-1 situation. Brian Uy, malakas. Rebound. Pamintuan again. Pamintuan, 3-on-2 situation. Pops up for 3. No. Rebound. Oy! 47 all po tayo. Magandang laban po ito mga boss, mga madam. This game is brought by the following sponsors: McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, Luxury Shanty, Janus Gumetio, HB Kicks, Hookup Apparel. Oy, foul. Rinig. Narinig. Ibarra called for a foul. Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty situation. Pusong Leon, Rojas, shooting for 2. Giannis Basketball Team, Giannis Cometeo, Winners Apparel, pasok unang ano po ni Rojas, Lucky Bay Shanty, Hookah Apparel, HB Kicks, JPEX TV, Mr. Kiss Wadokwe, Iowa Nation at CC ng digital media. Rojas Rojas, wala po. Lamang pa isa. Cardi for 2. 2 points, Cardi. No foul. Dapat kita dapat, pero malayo na siya, diyan ka nahalata eh. Okay, after 2 quarters, lamang po ng isa ang Ayesha, 48-49. The story so far, the speed and fluid offense of Tiptoe Kicks against the big man offense, penetration, and 3 points of Ayesha. Back to the Bamya po, magbabalik po tayo after this announcement. Ito po ang una po. This is your PSBQ now on its second year. Ayan po yan. Feature our sponsors. Ito po yan. Next is this. And lastly is this. And of course, first game is Ayesha and Friends versus Tiptoe Kicks. Followed by mamaya po ang Tuktuk Saigon versus Alforno Italian Masters. Blue ano sila may Alforno will wear blue na. Okay. Halftime po tayo mga boss. Halftime tayo. Para sa Kalasam, nandiyan din. Talagang manap. Bumusos lang kayo. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. The score right now is 48-49. Laman po ang Team Ayesha. Ito po ating capacity crowd po ngayon. Nanonood po ngayon right now. Wait ha, just wait. Ito po sila ngayon, ating capacity crowd po right now. This is the Team Alforno, just waiting for their game. Team Alforno, yan po, yan po si number 42. Yung kanilang lumim also si Daniel. Yung kanilang big man. Okay, second quarter is finished. Now, going now for the second half. Ayesha and Tiptoe Kicks coming up. 48-49 score, laman po ang Ayesha. Ayesha. Ay, yung ring. Saan yung ring? Yung net, nasira. Okay, Bakala for the inbound. Bakala ang kanilang big man penetration expert. Bakala inbounding. Again, Repolyo, binababa ang bola. Repolyo, Bakala again, driving strong. Repolyo, no pace pamintuan. Repolyo again, Repolyo pops number 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Balik mo labas dito mag-isang bola. I think they're gonna guard right now the 3-point arc against Pamintuan. Domdom. Domdom. Ayun. Pops up. Tapos, no good. Rebound by Pamintuan. Kick pass. Hoy! Good ball, good ball. Sam para sa Kala. Nice one. Ayun. No good. Binaibi ang shot. Ambong. Pops up. Kinaluwa. Rebound may Bakala. 2 points. Bakala, 2 points. Sam para sa Kala. Binababa ang bola. Malamig pa yata ang bata. Sam para sa Kala. Sangka. Ayun. Pops up. Lapos. Kapos. Sobra pala. Again. Bang. Bakala. How? Okay, nice foul by Sam. Nice foul by Sam para din sumalita ang batang tao. Again, now, Bakala for the inbound. Repolyo. Bakala, driving strong. Pamintuan for 3. Nope. Medalya, power move, 2 points, and 1 play pa pinigay. Okay, the story so far now, Medalya, 2 points over Domdom. Nagbigay pa ng foul para sa kanya. Medalya, shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. Nope. 5 point dito po kalamangan po ng Team Ayesha. Perez. Lapos. Umali. Nice rebound by Ambong. Nice deep sana. Pamintuan. Bakala sa ilalim. Ayun, Medalya. Pops up. No good. Sam para sa Kala for 3. No good. Ayun. Foul, Repolyo. Jersey number 23, Repolyo called for a foul. Perez shooting for 2. Chance to trim the lead down to 3 points. Perez first shot made. Second throw ni Perez. Coming up. Perez second throw. Jumper straight po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 50-53. 50-53. Repolyo. Medalya. Repolyo again. Repolyo ipit. Nice D by Domdom. Nice hustle play by Domdom. 12 seconds shot clock. Nice interception. Lapus. Binababa ang ball ni Lapus. Hop. Same ball. Lapus. Perez, power move, pops up. Wala, malangas. Good ball, good ball. Swiped away. Same ball po tayo, same ball. Tapik sa likod. Repolyo, Repolyo. Repolyo, driving strong. Repolyo, pamintuan. Bakala, Bakala, nope, and Repolyo, Repolyo. 3-second violation. 3-second violation, slap on Team Ayesha. 50-53, 7-10 remaining. Perez, malakas. Hop, same ball. Nice hustle play by Domdom again. Nice hustle play by Domdom. Perez, cutting in. Nope, ayaw niya. Sam, umali. Lapus for 2, no good. Rebound by Domdom. Domdom, floater shot, isa pa, wala pa rin. Repolyo, Repolyo, Repolyo. Foul on Umali. Nice foul by Umali. Here a shooting foul. Repolyo shooting for 2. Repolyo shooting for 2. Sa muna po tayo, Paminton, labas muna po para sa kanya, para kay number 81. Repolyo first shot. Kapos. Repolyo second throw, jumpers ready. Repolyo second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up, pasok. Okay, Ibarra, pinapasok na para kay Repolyo. Kabila naman po si Rojas. Para sa kala Sam, binababa ang bola. Cross again, Rojas, binabantayan, 1981. Ayun, Lapus for 2. 2 points, Lapus. Nice shot by Lapus. Comment na po kayo dyan, comment kayo mga Maria. Bakala, medalya, 2 points. Boarding ang ginawa niya, boarding, medalya. Umali! 2 points Umali. Okay, ito na naman, sagutan na naman sila, nagsasagutan na naman. Sam para sa Kala, against Bakala. Naipit. Bakala, Bakala, malakas. Umali, 2 points Umali. Okay, tabla naman tayo, 56. Maganda. Magaling. Pops up. No good. Blocked by, touch partially by Mr. Domdom, the Metroman. Sampa na sa number 3. Pasok! Again, naman ang tip-toe kicks. 59-56 at 5 minutes remaining. Third quarter action. Perez, Ibarra, babawi niya, hindi. Again, on the run. Rojas, para sa Kala, 2 points again. And a timeout called by Team Ayesha. You're watching right now Team Ayesha and versus Tip-Toe Kicks sa ating first game, followed by, of course, Mamya, Tuktok Saigon versus Alforno. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po yan, MC Cargo, McDonald's Qatar, Nandiyo Balak de Bichanti, Giannas Basketball Team, Giannas Comiteo, Winners Apparel, nandiyo po ang Hukom of Qatar, HBK, JPX TV, Of course, si Mr. Kitsu Budukwe, si Nag Digital Media at si Iowa Nation. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo between TikTok Kicks and ISM Friends. Okay, Ibarra for the inbound. Take note po, lamang na pumuli ng 5 ang TikTok Kicks over Ayesha. Ambong. Malakas ang pasa kay Medalya. Again, Umali. Binababa ang bola. Umali. Umali! 2 points, Umali. Pambira para flight 44 muli siya. Nice one. Modesto. And one play. Modesto. Nice shot by Modesto. Modesto 2 points. Plus bonus free throw. 4 minutes 23 remaining. Lapos called for the foul. Bonus shot coming up for Bondesto. Pops up. It's out. No, it's in. 60-50 laman ng 4 po ang TikTok Kicks. 4 minutes 19 remaining. Umali for 3, no good. Ibarra naka-rebound. Ibarra. Medalya. Easy 2. Eto na naman, 6-1. Sila mong mabol ngayon. Dom-dom. Dom-dom. Dish of pass kay Lapos. Lapos. Foul. Fishing foul. Naka-fish ng foul pa si Lapos. Nice foul. Naka-fish pa ng foul yung Mama. Lapos. Shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Second shot. Jumper straight po ni Lapos. Lapos second throw. Pops up. Both basket made. Ibarra binaba ang bola. Ibarra. Laman ng 4. Ibarra. Ayun. Ay! Butik na. Boy! Stepping on the line. Tough break for Ayesha. Rojas. Pops up. No good. Medalya. Ibarra. Ibarra thinking 3. Nope. Pumasa muna. Hoy! Sayang. Ito na naman sila. Umali. Foul! Nice stop by Mr. De Leon. Jacqueline Berda is watching. Jared Gabriel Marzal is watching. St. Abos is watching. Sige po, pakilike and share po itong video ito. Maraming salamat po. Umali, shooting for 2 again. Pamintuan, papasok muna. Para kay Bondesto, quality moments po para kay Bondesto for pamintuan. Umali, number 10, shooting for 2. Pops up, it's in. Second shot, jumper straight, di po tayo. No good. Rebound, foul. Again, De Leon called for the foul. De Leon for personal foul, 1 for graduate. Okay, De Leon lalabas muna para kay Bacala. He's now nursing now 4 personal fouls. Umali for 2. No good. Nice by Gini. Rojas, floater shot. Wala. Rojas again. Nice D. Rojas. Wala. One more time. Sam for 3. Bang! Medalya. Malakas. Foul! Medalya almost had it. Ambong shooting for 2. $69-61, laman na po ng 8 ang TikTok kicks. Ang Bong, first shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers, ready po tayo. Ang Bong, second throw, pops up. It's in. Okay, laman ng 7 ang TikTok kicks. Dang, 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 dang. Hop! Traveling violation po. Bogi mo, saan pala sa kala? Sabi ni Ellen pala sa kala. Pamintuan for 3, no good. Rebound, oy! Foul! Foul on Domdom. Domdom called for the foul. Substitution muna, Ibarra. Penalty situation, TikTok kicks. Ibarra, shooting for 2. Ibarra shooting for 2. Domdom second personal foul. Ibarra shooting for 2. Ibarra first shot. It's in. Inyo. Nope. It's out. Second throw. Jumpers ready. No good. Ibarra one more time. And one play. Yan ang malupit kay Ibarra. Hindi niya nagawa yun, pero binabawi kagad niya. Ibarra. Extra shot again pa Ibarra. Pops up. Oy, early entry. Okay, substitution na Ibarra, Tripolio. A minute 14 remaining, laman na 5 po ang team TikTok kicks. Kimi for Rojas. Rojas dictating the pace. Rojas. Kimi. Rojas. Ayun! Malakas! Bakala, binababa ang bola. Bakala. Penetrating move by Bakala. 2 points Bakala. Laman ng 3 naman ang TikTok kicks. Umali, Kimi. Nilabas, intercept talaga by Bakala. Pamintuan, 2 points, pamintuan. Pamintuan, 2 points. Hindi na pwedeng paulin yun. Block, double block ay yung pag-oras pinol mo yun. Para sa kala. Rojas, so good. Ito, isa pa. Hop! Foul. Boss, you gonna play your coach, Filipino? You'll play? Okay, good. Bakala, shooting for 2. It's in. Tabla. Second throw, jumpers ready for the lead. Pops up. No good. Rebound, battle won by Amboya. Oh, traveling by 42 seconds remaining. Kimi. Rojas. Rojas, binababa ang bola. Rojas. Sam para sa Kala. Binaba. Rojas, no good. One more time, umali naman. Umali. Kimi, wala. Wow! Six straight all. Medalya called for the foul. Kimi, number 1, shooting for 2. It's in. Lamang muli ang Tiptoe Kicks. Second shot, jumpers ready. Kimi. Pops up. Wala. Laman na isa. Repolyo. Malakas! 5 seconds remaining. Wala na! What a game! Okay, final quarter, final 10 minutes coming up. Ano yung bola, rep? Ano yung bola? Okay. Alas 12 na naman. Okay, final quarter coming up. Tiptoe Kicks ang bola. RD2 for the inbound. Okay, si RD2 nga, confirm. RD2 will inbound now. Do the inbound. RD2. Okay, Brian Uy. Dave Pirit is watching. Gabriel is watching. Eugene is watching. Dom. Hoy! Traveling violation. Lima. RD2 traveling violation. 9 minutes 47 remaining. 70-69. Verdades, El Jacqueline Verdades watching. Bakala. Pinasa sa labas. Kick pass kay Repolyo. Repolyo. Lost the ball. Holding foul. Jersey number 2 called for the foul. Duran called for the foul. Repolyo. Pamintuan. Pops number 3. Wala. Manas na pasa. Dumdum. Yun! Barnoy. Brainy. Matutobol siya rin eh.
Nakatangkib lang, di ba? Dalang beses ko ba?
Oo. Matutobol siya rin. Intercepted. What a pass! Repolyo, 2 points. Lamang na naman ang ESA ng isa. 70-71. Barnoy, thinking 3, ayaw. Domdom, Natividad, binuhat. Wala. One more time, Domdom, pops up. 2 points, Domdom. Ang tingkaya di Domdom, pumapasok. Domdom, 2 points. Da-da-da-da-da-la-la-la. Nice cut by number 8. Ang Bong, 2 points. 8 minutes 36 remaining. Lamang na naman po ang ESA. Ng isa, 72-73. RD2, pinasa kay Perez. Palpal. Nice by block by Medalya. Repolyo, driving strong. Wala. Ayun, Barnoy, mag-isa. 2 points, Barnoy. Barnoy, 2 points. Bakala. Pamintuan. Nice cut by Bakala. Wala. No foul. Pa. No foul. Barnoy, lost the ball. Substitution again. Giga pinasok na. Bakala. Giga setting up the pace. Kick pass. One more time. Medalya kumat. Bakala kalusot. Wala. Isa pa. End of play. Wake hands by Bakala. Domdom called for a foul. Bakala again. Shooting for a bonus free throw. 70-75. Bakala. Wala. Perez. Barnoy. Binababa ang bola. Barnoy. Perez. Lost the ball. 2 points Barnoy. Running shot. Nice shot by Barnoy. Lamang na naman ang TikTok. Isang-isa. Double team. O Medalya. Bakala. Foul. Tumukod. Out. Number 30, Domdom. 4 personal foul. 1 per graduate. Lapos. Pinapasok na para kay Domdom. Bakala. Wala. First shot ni Bakala. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Offensive foul. Okay, Domdom labas muna para kay Lapos. Arguan naman para kay Umali. Shift away. Giga. Malakas. Barnoy, driving strong. Ayun, ayun yung start play by Barnoy, turo na Natividad. Medalya, and one play. 2 points Medalya plus bonus free throw for the tie. Umali, third personal foul. Nice one. 78, lamang pareho. Lamang pareho, TikTok, is po na isa. 2 points. Umali. 2 points na Natividad. Pamit number 3. Note. Pinato. Buenoy. Kulapos. Nope. Yes, good ball. Lucky bounce. 5 minutes 36 remaining. Bakala, strong move. Ibarra. Wala. Push pal rep. Rojas called for a foul. Penalty for tip-toe kick. Rojas, third personal foul. Bakala shooting for 2. Bakala first shot. Pasok. Bakala second throw. Jumpers ready. Bakala second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's out. Pagod na. Rojas, kick pass, Brian Oy for 3. No good. Rebound, Natividad. Wala na, ayaw na. Naliguro na. Ibarra, medalya, and 1 play. Again, and 1 play for Mr. Medalya. Medalya. Substitution din. Okay, Dom, papasok mo na para kay Natividad. 4 minutes 46 remaining. Medalya 0, shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. It's pasok. It's in. Rojas. Mark Kenneth Ulip is watching. Wala pala si Ulip ah. Dom, 2 points. Ulip, ba't wala ka rito? Duty ba? Pamintuan, Bakala, driving score to Pamintuan. Taking 3, pops up. Nope. Medalya. Dom, nakuha ang bola. 2 points, Branoy. Time out po by Ayesha. Dosi na. Woo! Grabe. What a game. Grabe. 4 minutes 5 remaining. Laman ng 5 pa rin po ang tip-toe kicks. Ibarra for the inbound. Bakala. Binababa ang bola. Angbong. Driving strong. Foul. Wala. Lapos. Umali for 2. No good. Rebound by Lapos. Lima lang yan. Last touch. Puti. 12 seconds remaining. 12 seconds to shoot. Ano yata yung kailangan ko ang patatas. Buanoy. Floater shot. What the play sa ano? Galing. Medalya. Bakala. Ibarra. Pamintuan. Drumming strong. Foul! Push pa rep. Number 8 go for the push. Ibarra labas muna. Ang Bong called for the foul. Rojas driving strong. Intercepted. Foul! Foul on Rojas. Foul on Pusong. Penalty situation. Rojas for personal foul. Warning for graduate. Bakala shooting for 2. 86-81, 2 minutes 49 remaining. It's in. Fourth quarter action. Second throw, jumpers ready. Rojas. Bakala. Both basket made. Lamang ng tatlo, 2 minutes 49 remaining. 2 minutes 49 remaining. Sige po, mag-type po kayo dyan. Kahit ano po, babasahin po natin. Don't forget to press the like button also. Maraming salamat po. Dom for 3. No good. Ayun! Good ball. Nice one! Medalya! 2 points, medalya. Laman ng isa, 2 minutes 21 remaining. Ito na naman tayo. Welcome again to the Twilight Zone ng larong ito. Last 2 minutes coming up. Two minutes 4 remaining. Push over 3. No good. Bakala, nagmamadali. Nice one. 2 points. Lamang na naman ang Asia. Repolyo 2 points. Lamang na naman ang Asia ng isa. A minute 50 remaining. Sige, para kayong Bobok Sigero, nagbabalikan ang suntok ng isa. Sige na. Ito na. Umali. Lapos. Dom. Trying shot. No good. Rebound by Bakala. Okay. Again. Number 8. And one play. What a play. What a game. What a drive by Ambong, number 9. Number 9, shooting for the bonus free throw. A minute and 26 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Laman po ng Asia ng 3. Pag nashoot to, magiging 4 ang lamang ng Asia. Tapos, laman ng 3 pang Asia. A minute and 25 remaining. Go Asia, sabi ni China Alcantara. Foul! Medalya, second personal foul. 14 foul po para sa Team Asia. Laman po ng 3 Team Asia. Okay, Sam para sa Kala, para kinyo, para kay Brian Uy. Sam para sa Kala, for Brian Uy. Foul! Okay, penalty situation. Team to kicks. Team Asia, penalty situation also. Repolyo, pangatlo na pinirepolyo po yan. Pre, paano? Pababa nga, pre. Ang init ito. Ayun, ilagay mo dyan. Thank you. Init. First shot, no good. Second throw. Ang init. Uminit yung mobile niya. Second throw by Mr. Rojas. Pops up. Basket made. Dalawa. Sampa na sa kala, binabantay na si Tripolio. Ambong, binabantay ni Umali. Sam against Tripolio. Pamintuan. Intercepted. Block. Irapil Baka is watching. Ron is watching. HBK is watching. Ito na. Gumaganda ang laro ngayon habang patapos ang ligang ang laro ito. Rojas chance to tie the ball game. Rojas chance to tie the ball game. Rojas first shot. It's out. Rojas second throw, jumpers ready, 47 seconds remaining. Fourth quarter action. Rojas second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Nice rebound by number 9. They need to stop for HB kicks. For tip-toe kicks, they need to stop. Pamintuan. Foul! Technical foul! Stop! On Lapos. Okay, technical foul on Lapos, slap on Lapos, technical foul. Okay na muna, nag-time out yata. Okay, pamintuan shooting for the technical free throw. Masakit yun. Plus ball possession pa. It's in. Parent situation pa yan. Ambong, shooting for 2. Masakit yun. Ambong. It's in. Laman ng 4. Insurance na yan. Insurance basket na yan. Insurance basket made now by Ambong. Another one. It's out. Okay, nagmamadali na. Rojas, nagmamadali. Rojas. 3 points, Umali! Umali, 3 points! What a play by Umali! Pambira! What a play! Pusong Leon din pala to. Itong batang to, grabe. What a play by Umali! Nice shot! Clean shot by Umali! Eto na. This will now the deciding moment now. It's Tiptoe Kicks. They need to steal the ball to win the ball game, or else, for sure, Ayesha will run down the clock. They will run down the clock until it's over. Ron Anfres Ungali is watching. Ryan Lispil is watching. Chauncey Miguel is watching. Adriel Belgado is watching. JPX TV. Glenn, umapadayaw. Ayaw tayong pa-shoutout pati. Hoy, sinashoutout ko na kayo. JPX TV. Bakala. Bakala. Both teams are penalty. Bakala. 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 Hey! Stepping on the line! Ouch! Ang sakit nun! What a costly mistake by Bakala! Stepping on the line! Stepping! Yung isa pa nasa labas! Yung isa pa nasa labas! Siguro no kasi, malayo kasi kay inbound eh. Akala niya hindi siya nakapag-adjust. Nag-inbound sa may gawing pader eh. "16 seconds remaining. Chance to take again the lead and the ball game for Tiptoe Kicks. Final play coming up in the last 16 seconds of fourth quarter action. Eugene, happy crying face. Okay, 60 seconds remaining. Costly mistake by Bakala. Sa dulo siya kasi akala niya malapit siya. Okay, game. Umali, salvaging the game. Okay, Umali, salvaging the game. Okay, Umali, huwag ka muna doon siya, sabi niya. Saan para sakala mag-inbound? Saan para sakala for the inbound? Umali. Umali nga. Umali. Penalty yan. Umali again. No good. Rebound. Ayun lang. Okay. Okay, end of the game. Final 1991. Nanalo po ang Ayesha. Final game po, Ayesha winning 1991. Before we go, a word from our sponsors. PSB game now, second year now, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. McDonald's Kata, MC Cargo, nandiyo po ang Gianna's Basketball Team. Plaza by Shanty, Gianna's Gourmet. Queen sa Parel, nandiyo po ang HB Kicks. Hookup Qatar, JPX TV, nandiyo din po ang, of course, Bishop Cristo Budukwe, Sinag Dizo Media, and of course, nandiyan po ang Iowa Nation. You watch right now po, first game po, finish already. Ayesha Friends winning over Tiptoe Kicks. Maraming salamat po, and sami po tayo sa game between Alforno and Tuktuk Saigon.